What is up, YouTube? Today we are out here. I got my two little men, my dogs, and my beautiful wife, and we are on the docks at Turner Lake, Chain of Lakes State Park, and we are on the honeysuckle side, and we're just trying to see what we can do. We are here in April. It's still very early, very cold, no weeds on the water, trees are barely green, but we're going to attempt at catching bluegill or any type of panfish. Remember, bass are included in that category, on Topwater, and my little man back there is going to be using bread, as he typically does, with just a little tiny hook, dropping it right onto the dock and just whipping them up. So stay tuned for some fun family action.
Yeah!
Good job, Joan. That's a good one.
Oh, I got on the top of the...
Yeah, take them off, Joan. You know what you're doing.
How did I do this again?
Belly.
Whoa.
Oh, grab a tail.
Got it, Joan. Grab the hook. Grab his belly.
Don't I do it like...
Yep. Grab the top of the hook.
Yeah, I know.
There you go. That fish has been caught and released a few times. Nice gill again.
Goddamn.
And another one.
Another one.
And another one. As brother used to say.
Out here using, what are you using, Joan? Just a weightless hook, just a hook with nothing on it, and dropping down white bread.
Grab its tummy, it's not gonna explode.
There you go.
Going in for the release.
Good job, Joan.
Slow it down, fishy. Not gonna hurt you. Well, I already did hurt you. Oh, whoa. How come I'm the top of the lip every time?
Perfect, Joan.
Going in for the release.
Yeah, high five. Or
That's a
pound it.
fist bump.
Pound it. Good job. There you go, Joan.
Oh, got off.
Yeah, but you caught him.
Going for the release.
Good job. Best way to do it, Joan.
Stop.
Oh, mouth.
Stop.
Get the hook
You're
out
not
of
doing
your
it
mouth.
right.
Careful behind you, babe. You're good, Kiwi.
How's fishing going?
Pretty good for the kids. They're getting a lot of little bluegills. Yeah, a lot of little bluegills.
Oh, awesome.
This is the best fishing spot with bread.
Oh, yeah? Well, there you go. Catching anything besides the gills?
No,
No.
just the gills, pretty much.
It's a sea bait. Well, they do eat my bait a lot.
Yeah, they do.
Ace, hey,
They're
calm them down.
They're real bad about that, aren't they? No.
These guys are puppies. They're still not, they're like less than 6 months old,
Oh,
so
there's kind. Let's go to
at least he's not barking.
Oh, you're just on, Rick, because you ain't getting pets.
Look at this spot. I would count like the 100.
Yeah, I got a pup myself. She's about 3 months old now, so it is what it is. They're just a little ornery because they ain't getting pets. That's all it is.
I keep forgetting my main strategy. I put a teeny bit of bread on the tip of the hook.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. Make sure you mash it nice and hard so that way it doesn't slip off the hook.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Any other fishing this year?
Oh, me? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where have you been at?
Fox River, Rock Cut, Chicago River, Lake Michigan.
Bouncing all over.
Yeah, I do the YouTube geofishing stuff, so depth
Okay.
angling geofishing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, there you go. Good job.
At least 5 times a week out there.
Okay. You got your fishing license with you?
Not a physical copy, but I do have one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Pictures work as well.
No, I don't even know if I have that.
You don't even know if you got a picture?
No, I don't even know if I have that. be honest with you. I may have screenshotted it, but let me check.
Do you live in Illinois, or are you?
Yeah, I'm a Chicago resident.
Chicago? Okay. Yeah. So in the state of Illinois, with fishing license and like hunting license, you can have a picture of it, and if you have like a screenshot of it, that also counts.
Yeah, no, I understand. I could find it.
You gonna film me? Never mind.
Did you do any salmon fishing, anything like that this year?
No.
No salmon fishing?
At least not yet. I usually get into that into the fall.
Okay. I just did some a couple days ago, and it nailed them. It was a good time.
Coho?
Yep, coho and some trout were in there. Yeah, just you can screenshot that, and if you keep it in your photos.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say, I was like, yeah, that works.
Yeah, normally they just run my name.
Oh, I gotcha. Anything crazy this year? Any monsters, or has it been pretty slow?
No, I can't actually say that I've caught any monsters this year yet. It's been nice. I mean, Rock River, I was catching flathead in March.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. I got in a good bite there, but otherwise, no real monsters. Yeah, nothing crazy this year. Normally I would knock out a muskie or something by now, but
yeah,
not even that.
It's been hit or miss. Everyone I've checked with muskie, at least. Actually, no, I don't even think I've seen anybody with a muskie. I'm thinking walleye.
Yeah, I saw a few muskie at Rock Cut at Pierce Lake, but they had white spots on them.
Really?
Yeah, they were just swimming shallow. They weren't,
weren't really going deep. They
were. They looked like they were ready to spawn, but they had a lot of white spots on them.
Really?
I saw 2 or 3 of them. Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, it's been a weird past couple of years, I think, fishing wise. But hopefully with a little more rain, it gets a little cooler, a little warmer actually. Get some more fish.
Yeah.
Get them all moving, bedded. I've seen a couple different like largemouth beds in the shallower areas, so they're out there.
They especially with the geese, the babies and everything. That typically tells you right there that they got to be doing something.
Yep.
Because in Rockford, I didn't see any baby geese, and then we come over here and they're everywhere.
I've seen 2 or 3 hatchlings of like families, anyways. I haven't seen too many, but
yeah,
it's getting that time. So
yeah, it's exciting. It's a good time to fish this year right now.
It is.
Yeah.
It's the best time to fish. That and that early fall.
Yep.
Is the best.
Totally agree.
So, well, awesome. Good luck, guys. I hope you catch some more fish, okay? Have some fun.
Oh, he doesn't have trouble. Oh, I just missed one right there. But yeah, even just this little panfish popper, man. It's just fun stuff,
Yeah. I mean, and plus it's acting like a topwater. Nothing quite. Nothing feels.
Get me on that frogging game.
That's a good one.
That is a nice one.
Yeah, that is a good bluegill. Nothing. Like yesterday, we were fishing over in Government Pier in Waukegan for salmon and whatnot, and I'm sitting there, I'm getting ready to reel it in. Just a slight. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Missed it.
Yeah.
But out of nowhere, they just hammer it. I'm like, this is really fun. We had a little light, like medium, heavy rod bass pole.
Okay.
I mean, those guys, they take it. That pole just goes straight down. It is really entertaining.
Oh yeah, that's very fun.
That's good, but I do a lot of different like bass fishing. I like catfishing more, but
okay.
Nothing is quite as satisfying as something that hits top water.
Oh yeah,
every time it's just super satisfying.
Yeah.
So
no matter how small it is.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, there's something's coming for
yeah,
it.
he backed off on me.
There it is.
Oh, look at it. Yeah, this guy will go all
Killing
day.
it, man.
Yeah, he'll go all day with that. He doesn't play games. Just a little bread and a weightless hook. If there were carp in here, I've never seen a carp in here, surprisingly.
Yeah, I've never seen someone pull carp out of here.
I've seen them in the, the little creek backwaters that run off of this, but I've never seen them in here.
Yeah, they're weird sometimes. I mean, you would think they'd be in here with as large as it is amount of vegetation and things that die. You'd think they'd be everywhere, but
yeah.
I've been seeing a lot of carp in the shallows though this year.
Yeah.
They like sitting in that mud and just
sucking
up whatever.
Yeah, now he's just showing off.
Yeah.
That's typically what he does, man. Like, we'll be here and he'll just do that all day.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's like, how many bluegill are here? This dock, that dock, doesn't really matter.
Yeah. Well, good for you. hopefully at the end of the day, your thumb will have the little teeth skin marks when it's all missing. So,
Little bass
I think I
thumb.
just got it tangled. Hopefully when I'm hungry.
It looks like you might have swallowed it a little bit. Awesome. Well, good luck, guys. Hope you catch some more. Have some fun.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem. I don't know how they're biting now, but if you go to the boat ramp over there by that dock,
That's where we just were.
that's where you just were.
Yeah.
Did you get anything?
No, I mean, typically last year we were killing the perch, crappie, bass.
That's what I was about to say. Crappie typically like to hang out underneath that dock.
Yeah, yeah. I dropped my camera down. I didn't see anything there. Typically there's like shiners and everything.
Yeah,
Just
usually. So sometimes, I don't know if it's because of the rain we've had recently or the lack thereof or what it is, but usually they all school up there and there's a lot of bait fish in that area. So,
yeah.
I mean, although it's getting closer to the spawn season, so maybe they're out moving around, going to different areas. I don't know, but usually I see people kill it there for crappies.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, last year, but I think it was more towards May when I was doing that.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if it's still early or what, but it doesn't seem like it's early because what I was doing at Rock Cut before I came here,
Yeah.
I'm like, it's got to be killing it over here, and then I come here and it's like,
I mean, a few weeks ago they were killing it just over there.
They were, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if it's just the. I know the water temperature is still pretty cold. I know it's not super warm, so I don't know. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow they'll be out over there.
Yeah, no, I try it every day as I'm here. Give it at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you know.
Absolutely.
You never
Try it out
know.
while you can. So, well, good deal. Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Hello.
All right, so here's Jonah Finn.
Bread and a hook. Oh, I'm using.
Bread and a hook he's using, and he's gonna drop it straight down.
That fish wants to stay.
Did the DNR guy check your guys' license?
We don't got none.
Oh yeah, that's right. 16 and older, you need a license to fish in Wisconsin.
I'm only 4 years away.
In Illinois. These guys are younger than 16, so the DNR guy did not check them, but they did check me. Pennies?
Come on.
He's just trying to play with the fish.
Oh!
Oh, small one.
Good job, Jonah.
minnow.
Look at that. Jonah with another one.
And another one. They're very popular on your YouTube that I made.
You got caught.
No, I didn't make that one.
Awesome fish, Joan. Going in.
For the release.
Yeah. Having fun out here, Joan?
Yes.
Having fun out here, Eli? Yeah, out here enjoying the beautiful day, Turner Lake. We're here in April. As you can see, we just got checked by the DNR. See, I'm very, very shallow. Right along the bank here. Just popping along the top here. They just come in and whack it. This is cheap fun right here, boys. Cheap fun. Topwater panfish poppin', boy. Awesome. In April. Going in for the release. Unless we get a kayak rack, we can get another kayak, but I'm gonna pretty much try to set it up where yes! Look at that. Nice fish here on the topwater. This right here, my friends, is a beautiful pumpkin seed on the topwater. Very pretty fish. Topwater popper. Always fun. In for the release. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for us today here, Turner Lake. We're at the Honeysuckle fishing dock, and we're fishing just right off of it, right off the edges here. Again, we are in April, and we caught tons of little bluegill panfish. My little man caught them on the bread, and we caught some on the popper. A lot of fun today. Big guy handled our big dog, so thank you guys. Thank you for doing that. 'Cause
I also lost the line.
he's a handful, and at the end we did lose some line. But no big deal. We also got checked by Illinois DNR, guys. So again, another reminder, make sure you have your fishing license, because you can see how easily you can get a ticket for something so minor. $15 a year is all you need to pay for that. But you know, sometimes you forget, you get out there, and you get in trouble. So get your license. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next week on another geofishing exclusive. Remember what geofishing brings to you every week of every month of every year. Peace.